How to access your Costco Citi Card online account. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to log into your Costco Citi Card online account. For that, first of all, open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Chrome, but any web browser will work just fine. In the browser search bar, type Costco Citi Card online and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result to go to the official Costco Citi Card login page. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign On button typically located at the top right corner of this page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. You will now see a login form. Here you should enter the user ID and password you set up during your account creation. Make sure to input your credentials carefully. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot User ID or Password link below the login fields. Following the prompts will help you receive your account details. After entering your login details, click the Sign On button to access your account. You should now be able to view and manage your Costco Citi Card online. And that's it. Logging into your Costco Citi Card online account is as straightforward if you follow these simple steps. This process allows you to manage your account from anywhere, ensuring you're always in control of your finance. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.